Okay guys, so today I'm going to be making my aunt's elderberry kit. You can get it made already, or you can go ahead and order this one and you'll get a little bit more out of it. It says it makes 32 ounces. You have to have a glass jar ready to put it in. I'm using this glass jar. She has the ingredients on the back of it. And then she also has the instructions. Boil 4 cups of water and pour contents of package. So we're going to go ahead. I have the water boiling. This is 4 cups exactly. I'm going to wait for it to... Hold on, baby. I'm going to wait for it to boil a little bit more, and then I'm going to pour the contents in. Once you pour the contents in, you reduce it immediately to low and let it simmer for an hour covered. It has to be covered, okay? Covered for 1 hour. Then, her recommendations are, after you have it covered for an hour and it's done, remove it from heat, let it cool down for an hour before pouring the honey in. Because if you pour the honey in, it'll be too hot. You just need to let it cool down. So this is what the package looks like when you open it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this simmer for a little bit more, and then I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to actually have to go and get some raw honey. So hopefully you can see the honey that you're going to be able to get and where I get it from if you're in the Philly area. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and let it do it. This is a little more better. Go ahead and you pour the contents in. Everything is in there. And then you lower it immediately. So like I have it on like 3. And I have to cover it.
What's this?
Give me one.
Okay.
Thank you.
I have a mask on right now, but I don't know which one to get. They're from the same people. Okay, so we are going to strain the elderberry. So if you look at it, this is what it looks like. And we have to strain it.
Mommy? Mommy?
Come over here, Papa.
So I'm going to take it like this. And I'm going to scoop it in the strainer. And then I'm
What
going
are
to
you doing?
push it. The honey is not added. This is just us straining the elderberry.
Yeah, the keyboard.
Okay.
Mommy, what are you doing?
So I'm going to continue to do this and let you know when I'm done. Process.
Like I said, make sure people know that it's supposed to be raw organic honey or local honey.
You see it?
Not Germany honey.
So it's supposed to be raw local honey. I only could find Germany in these times. But then you pour it. Here we go.
Okay.
So here we are. Don't mind this. And I got sugar that, I mean not sugar. I got honey that wasn't local honey, but it's so hard to get local honey in like this whole COVID-19 situation. So yeah. Alright. So you put it in the fridge and you let it cool down, and it's going to be good for 3 months. What do you think about that? Do you think we can do it some more? And she said to do it until it's dry.
She said you can use it.
And you can keep on straining it. So right now it's wet. hold this.
This is TV size.
Yeah, say it louder.
This is TV size.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
It's hot though, okay?
Oh,
Normally it has to be cool. But we're all going to try it together.
what?
Don't mind all this. I just use a jar. This is like, I think, some type of like beer or something. The jar. Thinking
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mommy, why you open it?
Alright, ready? Open your mouth. Gotta drink it. Ready? Ah?
Nice, yummy.
Yummy? That's right. Tell the camera. What do you think about the elderberry syrup? Ooh. Okay. Here. Mommy, me and you're gonna try it at the same time.
Right here. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
We're gonna try it together. You already had some.
Hello, guys. Hello, mommy. Yes, baby, see ya.
Wait, ready?
Bring it back.
Good, right? But it's nice how it tastes when it's cold. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and split it, and then I'll come back after we split it and I give her some.
Guys.
Oh, we made elderberry syrup! We made some baby elderberry syrup all the way over here. Alright guys, so there you go.
Mommy.
Hold on.
Mommy.
That's my aunt's elderberry syrup. I split it with my grandmom, so I was able to have some in here.
Mama, why is it to my grandma?
And then, where's my grandma? Where's yours? Oh, hers is in the first package. Made this much, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description of where you can order your own DIY kit, or you can actually order the elderberry syrup where she puts all her ingredients in it from Georgia and we'll send it to your house. So I'm going to go ahead and put that link in the description. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Do you like the